Hey everyone, welcome to ELEATION's YouTube channel. Your go-to place to master C programming from basics to professional level. In today's video, we'll be introducing you to one of the most important topics in C programming, file handling. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to read, write, and manipulate files in C, and if you stick around, we have an exciting offer for those who want to take their C skills to the next level with ELEATION's training program. So, what is file handling? In C programming, file handling allows you to create, open, read, write, and delete files. Instead of just working with data in memory, file handling helps you store data permanently. Let's dive into the two primary operations, reading and writing files. Let's start with reading a file. In C, you use functions like fopen, fgetC, fgetS, and fread to access and read file content. This is especially useful when you're working with large datasets or need to pull information stored externally. Here's a quick code example. This simple program opens a text file, reads its content line by line, and prints it to the console. Easy, right? Now, let's talk about writing to files. Functions like fputC, fputs, and fwrite allow you to store data in a file, either creating a new file or updating an existing one. Here's another code example for you. In this example, we're writing hello, ELEATION to a file. You can write any data, text, numbers, or even binary, into your files using these functions. Finally, file manipulation involves advanced operations like renaming, deleting, or appending to a file. The remove function can delete a file, while rename can change a file's name. These operations are crucial when working with real-world applications. With these functions, managing files becomes a breeze. Now that you've had a taste of file handling in C, are you ready to dive deeper and master these concepts? At ELEATION, we offer a comprehensive C training program that covers everything from beginner-level programming to advanced concepts like file handling, memory management, and multithreading. Plus, you'll get real-world projects and internship opportunities. Here's an exciting offer just for you. Register now for ELEATION's C training program at a special discounted price. Instead of Rs 2,499, you can enroll today for just Rs 1,000. Scan the QR code on the screen, or check the description box for all the details. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more C programming tutorials and tips. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and feel free to share it with your friends who are also learning C. Let's code our way to success with ELEATION.